Hello and welcome, resellers. If you sell on platforms such as eBay or Poshmark, you're in the right place. We've researched and calculated the percent sell-through rate for over 400 brands of women's pre-owned clothing selling on eBay. This info will give you an idea of how fast these brands sell in every category, including dresses, tops, jeans, and much more. This video will cover brands ranked in the middle of the list. Brands with a sell-through rate between 18 and 29% have been labeled as C-tier. Where will your favorite brands land on this list? To help us decide which clothing brands are worth reselling, we calculate the percent sell-through rate for all pre-owned women's clothing on eBay. As of March 2023, 2.3 million items sold in the last 90 days, and there were 12 million listings. This gives us a sell-through rate of 19%. The sell-through rate is calculated by dividing the number of sold by the number of current listings. This gives us an estimate of how many items are selling in a 90-day period. All sell-through rates provided in this video are based on 90 days. Starting off our list with a sell-through rate of 18% is Cut From Cloth, Sky, Casper, Adidas, Misguided, Mod Cloth, and Croft & Barrow. Keep in mind that this data does not include shoes or accessories. Other factors that can influence how fast your listings sell are photos, price, condition, and size. If there are thousands of listings on eBay, the market will be saturated and lower the sell-through rate. For example, Adidas has over 100,000 listings on eBay. We also have Lord & Taylor, Versace, Michael Kors, Disney Store, Kalia, and Zara. As you can see, having several thousand listings on eBay can lower the sell-through rate for these brands. Also at 18%, we have Gucci, Hugo Boss, Pendleton, Cachet, Billabong, and Isaac Mizrahi. I thought Pendleton would be higher on the list, but with 30,000 listings, I can understand why it's so low. At 19%, we have Danskin Now, Maidenform, Matilda Jane, Boston Proper, Orvis, and Basic Editions. Danskin Now is from Walmart. We have Roxy, Vivienne Westwood, Karl Lagerfeld, Free People, Nike, and Alison Olivia. Nike had one of the most saturated markets with 248,000 listings on eBay. Free People also had many listings, which makes it much harder to sell items quickly. At 20%, we have Talbots, Vans, Warehouse, Lafayette, Maj, Lane Bryant, Oscar de la Renta, and Romans. Talbot is another one of those brands with way too many listings on eBay. We also have Dolce & Gabbana, Missoni, Glamorize, Equipment, Eddie Bauer, Vince, Atmosphere, and Blazer. I personally pick up Eddie Bauer often. I think it's a good quality brand, but I'm not surprised to see it so low with 80,000 listings on eBay. At 21%, we have Mountain Hardwear, London Fog, Juicy Couture, Time and True, Hudson, Massimo Dutti, and Everlane. Time and True is a Walmart brand. At 22%, we have Max Mara, Betsy Johnson, Chaps, Wallflower, and Diesel. I love picking up Betsy Johnson items. They're often a little whimsical and a little different in style. At 23%, we have Chico's, Can, Prana, True Religion, and Oasis. Chico's had over 209,000 listings on eBay. I often pick up True Religion, and I thought it would be a little higher on our list, but I guess a C isn't that bad. At 24%, we have Soft Surroundings, Levi's, One World, Columbia, and Simply Southern Collection. As you can see, these popular brands have many listings on eBay, which definitely slowed down the sell-through rate. We also have Pretty Little Thing, Kate Spade, Desigual, Reformation, and Prada. With a sell-through rate of 25%, we have Burberry, Beta Brand, Dior, Witchery, and Notori. Burberry is another one of those brands I thought would be a little higher on our list. It's not a saturated market, but I guess the demand isn't as high as I thought. Also at 25%, we have Cream, Victoria's Secret, Neiman Marcus, and Garnet Hill. Victoria's Secret had the second highest number of listings on eBay at 243,000. Despite this, I have definitely sold a few Victoria's Secret items. At 26%, we have Le Suit, Big Star, Jack Willis, Moncler, REI, Boohoo, Lauren Ralph Lauren, and Portman's. Again, Lauren Ralph Lauren has a saturated market. It's a very popular brand with 149,000 listings. At 27%, we have Silver Jeans, Good America, Marmot, J. Jill, Not Your Daughter's Jeans, Agolde, Ralph Lauren, and Foxcroft. The slow sell-through rate, I still pick up J. Jill and just wait patiently for people to purchase it, but it definitely is a slow seller for me personally. And the market for Ralph Lauren was a little saturated too. At 28%, we have Beyond Yoga, Secret Treasures, Hydraulics, Brooks Brothers, Buckle, and Laura Ashley. I sell a lot of Brooks Brothers, even though I don't find it that often. I was expecting it to be higher on the list. At 29%, we have Lacoste, Kukai, Vanity Fair, Lori Goldstein, Denim and Supply, Ralph Lauren. We also have Veronica Beard, Tory Burch, Liverpool, Lily Pulitzer, Dickies, and Country Road. I really like Lily Pulitzer because of her color choices. She uses a lot of pink and floral. They're easy to spot when you're thrifting. Unfortunately, the market's a little saturated with 62,000 listings on eBay. Click the notification button to see which brands made it to the list for A and B. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which brands or categories you would like us to research in future videos. Thank you for watching.